WuXi SDA is an organization of CRDMO. We enable our partners on the drug discovery, development, and manufacture on synthetic molecules. This including drug substance, drug product, and this related to the small molecule, conjugates, and the synthetic new modalities. As a global organization, as we see more and more of our projects move to late stage and commercial, we need a global network for commercial production. So we select this site after searching many different locations and facilities. And this site really impressed us with its geographic location, center of Europe, and also its great capability and capacities, as well as talents around to allow us to not only have the site to do the commercial manufacture, but for future expansion. This site, the COVID site, is a very important part of the organization, SDA. So since we bought the site 3 years ago, we have been gone through many major expansions. In the future, we have plans to add additional capability not only for oral solid, but also for parenteral, such as injectable formulation. We also plan to add a large spray dryer for commercial manufacture, which is a key instrumentation for drug product commercial manufacture these days. So we have long-term plans for the expansion of this organization. We do have collaborations with local universities and schools, majorly for recruiting talent. We actually have a very close relationship with the organization. For instance, we have worked with Mr. Oliver Zever for years, and he has visited the site, and he knows our need, and we do need support from the government in permit and many other things, so work very closely with local authorities and organizations. They have been very supportive.